Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the modern microwave oven, a kitchen essential that combines speed, convenience, and versatility to make meal prep easier than ever. Today's models go far beyond reheating, offering air frying, convection baking, broiling, defrosting, and even dehydrating in one compact appliance. With features like smart temperature control, app integration, and preset cooking modes, achieving perfect results is effortless. Sleek, space-saving designs make these ovens both practical and stylish for any kitchen. Product 1. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a premium all-in-one countertop oven designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances with its power, precision, and versatility. Equipped with the advanced Element IQ system, it uses 5 independent quartz heating elements and smart algorithms to deliver heat exactly where it's needed, ensuring fast, accurate, and consistent cooking results. Its super convection technology provides maximized airflow with a 2-speed fan, reducing cooking time by up to 30% while producing crisp, golden air-fried foods or evenly roasted meals. With 13 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, broil, roast, pizza, proof, air fry, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, this oven adapts to nearly any culinary task. The extra-large 16-inch by 13.5-inch by 7-inch interior comfortably fits 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, a 9-inch by 13-inch pan, or even a 12-cup muffin tray. Product 2. The Nuwave Bravo X Large Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a powerful, precision-focused countertop appliance built for home cooks who want complete control and consistent results. Its standout feature is the ability to make on-the-fly adjustments, change temperature, time, or heat distribution at any point without restarting your cooking cycle. With independent control of the top and bottom heating elements, you can customize heat exactly the way your recipe demands. For example, achieving a perfect pizza is simple. Boost the bottom heaters for a crispy crust while lowering the top for evenly melted cheese. The integrated digital temperature probe ensures foolproof cooking by monitoring the internal temperature of your food and automatically stopping the oven when your desired doneness is reached, eliminating guesswork and preventing overcooking. Equipped with 112 presets, including 12 essential cooking functions and 100 additional recipe presets, the Bravo X Large adapts to grilling, air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, and more. You can also store up to 50 of your own custom recipes. Its patented linear T technology maintains steady, precise heat from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit by adjusting power continuously, guaranteeing even and reliable results. Customers praise its versatility, even cooking, and excellent value. Product 3. The Ninja DCD451 Double Oven is a highly versatile countertop appliance designed to make family meal preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Featuring the innovative Flex Door, it functions as 2 independent ovens in one, allowing you to access only the top for quick snacks or open the full door to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously. With Flavor Seal technology, aromas stay contained within each compartment, ensuring flavors remain distinct even when preparing completely different meals. Its Smart Finish technology is a standout advantage, enabling both ovens to cook separate dishes at different temperatures and settings and still finish at the same time. The built-in Smart Cook system, equipped with a leave-in thermometer, ensures precise doneness without constant monitoring. Product 4. The Panasonic Home Chef Connect 4 in one microwave oven is a smart, family-focused appliance designed to simplify mealtime while delivering impressive cooking versatility. Combining a microwave, broiler, air fryer, and convection oven, it allows you to prepare tender roasts, crispy air-fried dishes, evenly baked meals, and quick microwave staples, all in one sleek, space-saving unit. Paired with the Panasonic Kitchen Plus app, this oven becomes a true cooking assistant. Simply choose a recipe, gather ingredients, and let the app guide you with step-by-step instructions while automatically adjusting cooking modes and settings at the right moments. From air-fried favorites to perfectly browned casseroles, the app ensures consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Built with inverter technology and genius sensor cooking, it offers even defrosting, reheating, and cooking without hot or cold spots. The spacious 1.2 cubic feet interior and 14.2-inch turntable can fit a whole chicken, making it ideal for families, while its compact footprint suits most countertops or optional built-in insulations. Customers love its air frying performance, especially for baked potatoes, and praise its multifunctionality and overall value. However, durability concerns and mixed feedback on Product 5, the Toshiba ML2 EC10SA BS A8 in 1 air fryer microwave oven, is a versatile, space-saving countertop appliance designed to handle a wide range of everyday cooking needs. Despite its compact footprint, it features a roomy 1 cubic foot interior and a 12.4-inch position memory turntable that automatically returns to its original placement, perfect for fitting a whole roasted chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or family-sized casseroles. This multifunctional oven combines microwave, air fry, convection bake, broil, combi cooking low-temp modes, odor removal, and defrost into one convenient device. The healthy air fry function lets you enjoy crispy favorites with less fat while still retaining delicious flavor. With 1000 W of microwave power, it delivers fast heating, and the stainless steel interior ensures durability and easy cleanup. A 2-step child lock enhances household safety, and a variety of convenience features: one-touch popcorn, multi-stage cooking, mute mode, knobs for quick adjustments, and a kitchen timer make everyday use effortless. Customers appreciate its sleek black stainless steel finish, user-friendly controls, and strong value for the price. While many praise its heating performance and quiet operation, others report mixed experiences with noise level and long-term reliability. Overall, it's a stylish, compact, and highly capable appliance ideal for busy kitchens.